Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix you can't access certain settings for a few days. If you try to set two-step verification on Instagram and you're facing this type of error, and then it means you log in your account in different location. That's why you're facing this type of error. If you try to fix this issue, just simply you have to close this page from here, and after that guys, just simply you have to open Instagram and just simply wait some second. From here guys, just simply tap on your profile, then tap on three lines, then go to settings, and from here guys, just simply you have to tap on account. Now from here, just simply tap on personal information and make sure that you have verified your email address and also phone number, and you have given your birthday in personal information, and then go back from here and tell them that you are a real owner of this account. So you have to go to the help section and just simply tap on report a problem, and just simply tap on report problem without shaking. Now from here, tap on include and continue, and here you have to briefly explain about your problem. So before this, you have to take screenshot of your problem. So I have already copied and given in the description as well. So I'm using this account for last 1 year on this device, and I am the real owner of the account. So please fix this issue as soon as possible. Just simply tap on upload and it will redirect to your gallery. You can select that screenshot from your gallery and just simply tap on send, and after that your request will be sent, and Instagram team will contact with you within 48 hours, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.